Okay, and in today's video, we have our Ipsy Glam bag for the month of June 2021. I know it's late, but we got our bags late, but it's here, and we decided we're gonna record, right, Bella? All right, but before we get into the bags, please don't forget to what, Bella?
Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video or channel.
And as well, follow me on Instagram at dsoto beauty subscription and Facebook as well. I forgot about Facebook. All right, guys, let's get sorry into about that. My camera overheated, so we had to stop recording. But I was saying what is Ipsy Glam bag. So Ipsy Glam bags. Ipsy Glam bag is a 12-month beauty subscription, and you get 5 products in here. Sometimes you will get some full-size items as well in this bag, but yeah, that's what this Ipsy Glam bag is all about. So for June of 2021, you ready to show them the bag? It is super cute. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, this is such a super cute bag. We have rainbows,
have fun. A hand, I guess.
Peace sign. Peace, girl. Lips.
Love. Eyes. One closed eye.
That is the emojis. But the lip, do you feel the lip?
Yeah, I can feel
it's
that.
like they sewed that lip on there, so that's the only thing that's erased on this whole bag. But I think it is such a super cute bag for the month of June, and especially that month of June was Pride month, so that is super cute. Okay, so let's get in there. Oh, I just noticed, do you see this? Look at the zipper. The zipper is a rainbow effect.
Wait, I can't wait. I can't.
It's like a rainbow effect.
Looks different.
Super
Oh,
cute.
now it's not blowing.
I think that is so cool. I mean, the details, guys. It is super cute.
Oh.
Okay, so let's talk about the items that we got. And of course, there's a card in here. So let's see if the card has our products on there. Yes, my card has products on here.
Wait, I'm trying to take mine out.
Okay. Does yours have? Yes. So I don't have to look at my phone. So this is what it's called. It's Do You for the month of June. It says bold moves only. This month, amp up everything that makes you happy. Glitter liner, rainbow accents, and celebrate the beauty that comes from being you. So that is awesome. I love that. Oh yeah, if you tell your friends about Ipsy, you can get a free palette. Oh, that is awesome. Okay, anywho, so let's talk about the products that we got right now. All right.
I want to go first.
Okay, Bella always goes first. All right, Bella, you go first, girlfriend.
Okay.
And I'll read it.
Okay. This one.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Let's
see. All right, so what Bella pulled out is the Glow on 5th Rose Gasha. Inspired by ancient Chinese medicine, this facial massage tool helps flush out the lymph drainage symptoms to increase blood flow and circulation. Use it daily to depuff, contour, and give your skin a vibrant, youthful glow. This is a full-size product, and it is $12. Oh my god, Bella, you got a full-size product.
When I was gonna get it out, it just fall down from the back.
That's what it looks like. So basically, it is to
oh, that's good.
Blood flow. That is so cool.
Try a new.
No, I have makeup on. All right, so that was Bella's first product. Okay, then I'm gonna pull out something in my bag. Here we go. Oh. I just got these in my mystery bag. This is the Contact Skin New Balm in Back for More. Meet your new wear everywhere lip balm. One quick swipe, hydrating, heals, and minimize chapping thanks to conditioning, vitamins, and plant extract. Plus, the sheer berry tint can be worn for work, weekends, and everything in between. This is a full size, and it is $20. So I just got 2 of these in my Ipsy mystery bags. And there were 2 different shades, but this one is a shade that I already have. And this is what they look like. This is the one I got back for more. That's the shade that was in my bag. So I'm not gonna open the one that I just got. So it is a pretty shade. It's a lip balm, but it has a tint to it. So let me show you here, if you haven't seen my mystery bag video yet. So that is gorgeous. All right, let's move on. Go ahead, Bella.
I already picked one.
Okay, what did you pick?
I think I go with this.
Ooh, that one. This is the Balm Cosmetic Auto Balm Girl Power in Houston. Let me double check. No, I don't have that one. I thought I did. We're always excited when a product from the Balm comes across our desk, and this matte finish blush has quickly become our new go-to. The versatile peach pink shade goes from work to weekend. Plus, it's long-lasting, blends and no streak, and totally buildable. This is a deluxe size. If you get the full-size version of this product, it is $26.50, but I believe it's in the palette. So that's what it is. And do you want to swatch it, Bella?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to swatch it? You want me to check if I have it?
Check.
Check if I have it. Oh yeah, I do have it.
Oh, let me just hold up very quick, okay?
Okay, so that's Bella's.
Oh, wait.
This way. I'm gonna swatch mine.
Why do I get confused? Where is it?
So that's what the shade looks like.
I don't see it.
It's so pretty.
But I can see it right there.
Yeah.
But not on camera.
All right, let's move on.
Where's my other one?
Hold on.
Guys.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna pull out my. Oh, this was my choice item, I believe. This is the Benefit Cosmetic, the Professional Super Setter Pore Minimizing Setting Spray. Your makeup isn't complete without a few spritz of this Super Power Setting Spray. The lightweight formula instantly smooths and refreshes skin, blurs the look of pores, and magnifies excessive shine with microfine powders, and locks your looks into place for a full 16 hours. This is a deluxe size. If you get the full size version, you get $32. So that's what it looks like. So let me try it out.
Don't get me.
It smells nice.
Can I smell you? It does.
So that is awesome. Okay, so you're next, girlfriend. What are you gonna pick? What are you gonna pick?
You know I was gonna pick.
Ooh. Okay, Bella got a Contact Skin New Balm, but this one is in all or nothing. So I don't have this one, so this is hers. She can open it up.
Okay.
Meet your new wear everywhere lip balm. One quick swipe hydrates, heals, and minimizes chappy thanks to conditioning vitamins and plant extract. Plus, the sheer natural tint can be worn for work, weekends, and everything between. Like I said before, this is a full-size product, and it is $20. Bella got a good bag here, man. You know what? You're gonna see Bella got another full-size product. So she got 3 full-size products in her bag.
Why am I so lucky?
She is so lucky, guys. So lucky. Do you want to show them the shade?
Which side is it? This way? This way? Let me try this way.
That way.
Okay. Ooh, sparkles.
It's a lip balm.
Why does it look like a diamond?
So this is what it looks like.
You can't see the sparkles.
No. Kind of looks like the one that I just opened too.
Nah.
No. This one's more brownie. But that's awesome. She got this, right?
I'm lucky.
You're lucky.
Why
Okay.
am I so lucky? Why do I
know.
always get
Alright
all
guys,
the
I'm
stuff?
gonna pull the next product out of my bag, and ooh, okay, here it is. This is the CLIV Max Hyaluronic Pulpous Foaming Cleanser. Not only is this foaming cleanser a delight to use, it leaves your skin feeling purified and balanced, but not at all stripped. It's all thanks to deep cleaning, micro bubbles, and propolis extracts, which are prized for the ability to help skin retain moisture. This is a deluxe size. If you get the full size product of this, it is $28. This is a good amount of time. This is a 1 fluid ounce, so I'm excited for that, to try this out. Okay, All right, Bella.
What's
All
your
right,
next
so this is
product?
Anabella's next product. This is the Ibby Beauty Lush eyeshadow in cinnamon roll. Do you want to take it out of the box? So we can show?
Okay.
Cinnamon roll. I'm kind of hungry now.
Oh my gosh.
Your makeup bag needs this easy to blend shimmery metallic eyeshadow. The soft powder formula is highly pigmented, ultra creamy, and won't create any fallout thanks to moisturizing vitamin E and rose hip seed oil. This is a deluxe size, and if you get the full size, it is $20. Right, guys, we are back, and Anabella has the shade here.
I want to show them.
Okay. Well, we're gonna have to do it together because so we're blocking. Ah, there we go. Bella, it's focusing on you. Get closer to me.
Yeah.
So this is what the shade looks like. So like again, it said it's cinnamon roll. Do you want me to swatch it? And put it in the back of my hand, since my hand is the one that has everything on it.
Yeah, not me.
Ooh, it has like this copper tone to it. It's really, really pretty.
I don't see it.
Yeah, but it's gorgeous. Okay.
Oh, there's also this. Okay.
All right, guys, let's move on. And let's see, the next product I got. Oh yeah, I got also the Balm cosmetic in Houston. So I have the same one like Bella. And I already showed you how it looks like, and it is a deluxe sample. If you get the full size version, which should be in a palette, is $26.50. All right, Bella. Now you can pull your last product.
Oh.
So Bella has the Creme Shop. This was your choice item, I believe. This is the Creme Shop Rose Water Coconut Complete Cleansing Toilets. I don't know how to say that.
Toilets?
Not toilets. Toilets. There you go. I kept saying toilets. Keep these refreshing wipes within reach to cleanse and refresh your skin to go on the go. They're infused with a blend of rose water and coconut extract to remove dirt, makeup, and excess oil, minimize redness, and balance your skin pH. This is full size and it retails for $5. So Bella basically got $37 worth of product in her bag. Yes.
Can I open it?
Yes, you can.
Wait, what?
No, they're just wipes. They're just like face wipes. You can use them later.
How dare you?
$37 Bella got in her Ipsy bag this month. Wow.
35.
37.
Oh.
Alright, now my last product is also full size, and this is the Creme Shop Essence Infused Sheet Mask Duo in Rose Water and B12 Complex. Meet your new go-to sheet mask for super refreshed skin. The Rose Water mask is infused with, you guessed it, rose water to smooth, cool, reduce inflammation, and protect with antioxidants. The B12 complex mask used with B12 to improve dryness and dullness for an all-over glow. This is full size and it retails for $3 per mask, which is the correct amount. So that's I got $26.
I got lost. Where were you?
I got $26 inside this a month bag, but this is what the mask sheet look like. They're really, really cute. I believe these are at Ulta too as well. Alright guys, so that's everything that we got in our Ipsy Glam bag for the month of June. Please let us know, right Bella?
Yep.
Let us know down below, what did you think of our glam bag for the month of June. I think these are super, super cute. We will be recording our Ipsy Glam bag plus. I'm just waiting for my bag to come in, and I think it's here. I just have to go pick it up. But anywho, as always, please don't forget to what, Bella?
Subscribe, like this video, and notification bell, and like this channel.
Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe and Ipsy. No, Ipsy. Oh my god, guys. I'm sorry. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at DSoto Beauty. Subscribe. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please be safe out there. Stay healthy. And as always, lots of love. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.